So, this is everything we're taking for our first overnight camping trip in the Tesla. It's our first proper trip in the car and our first Tesla Trails video, so we're finding out how practical the Model 3 really is when you start loading it with camping gear. We started underneath the boot floor with things we wouldn't need until we reached the campsite. This area is great for soft items and you can really squeeze things into the available space, and it keeps the main boot free for the larger items.
Check out this under-boot storage.
It's packed with all our camping gear.
Drop us a like.
Once the chairs and tables were removed, everything needed for setting up camp would come out of there together. The main boot took the more bulkier items, starting with our folding table and two full-sized Quechua chairs from Decathlon. The cooler box was the only slightly awkward part. We have a Coleman 25 quart cooler box, and it wouldn't quite fit through the opening of the Tesla boot, which was a bit of a pain. Getting it through the opening meant we had to open the back door area and put it through the back way, through the back of the chairs, which worked quite well, to be fair. Finally, we used the Frunk for one backpack that we wanted to keep for easy reach during the journey. We barely used the available space in that area, so there was plenty of room left for jackets, charging equipment, or anything else we might have needed before getting to the campsite. For future trips, this is probably a space we'll use for more frequent items rather than burying them underneath everything in the boot. And that was the Tesla packed and ready for our first camping trip. For one night away, the Model 3 has more than enough storage for everything we needed, without filling the passenger cabin or blocking the rear view. The boot opening made the cooler slightly awkward, but the underfloor storage and Frunk made a much bigger difference than we expected. This is only our first attempt, so we'll probably change a few things next time, but for now, everything has a place. All that's left to do is hit the road and find out how the Tesla handles in our first camping adventure. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our future adventures, as we're going to be doing a lot more camping and travelling in the Tesla, and if you subscribe you won't miss any of the videos.